How's it going, everybody? Shaun here. Another day, another vlog. Oh man, the sun is bright. Oh, there we go. Oh, well, before I head into the park, gotta put some sunscreen on because it is summertime and it's gonna get hot. You can already see where I got in a lot of tan. In fact, this is tan, and then this is pale white. I burn pretty easily, to be honest with you. I go from like a pale white rotisserie chicken to red lobster. There we go. Some of the sunscreen went into the lens. Oops. Gotta be careful with that. Hey, you guys got sunscreens too. Oh, the bad news is I just shaved too. Ah! It's like Home Alone. I go like this, going, ah! Sorry, I have gum in my mouth. I can already tell I got a little bit burnt on my forehead, a little bit, maybe a little bit on my nose. Not from today, but a few days ago. All right, I'm all set, ready to go. Ugh. I don't like it. I don't like it on my hands. You may also notice I forgot to bring my Disneyland D hat. I don't know what happened to it. It was in my car. I don't see it. Because that's what that means. We're getting a new Disneyland hat. Alrighty. If I'm in line today, I'll be reading some comics. I got my special one here, Justice Society of America, issue 10. If I finish that one, I am currently reading One Piece. Yes, because of FanFest. Also, I just realized we're not on the mini level. We're actually on the Pixar Pals level. See right there? That's Inside Out. Uh-oh, the elevator's not working. No tower terror today. Starting off my morning course, saying hello to the Mickey Ball. Good old Mickey Ball. And just across the way is gonna be the Luxo Ball, right down there. You know, I was just remembering about 10 years ago, we used to get picked up by the tram on that side. And this over here used to be all parking lot, the Chippendale and Pinocchio parking lot. But then once they opened up the Pixar Pals parking structure, you have this. So yeah, now they drop you off here, tram loops around, and they pick you up right there. Checked and cleared for entry. By the way, I'm still gonna say this all the time. I really, really like these lights. If I ever get a place of my own, I want these. They're so cool. They go right in the living room. Time to get on board a tram. We might get on the last car. Yeah, let's do the last car.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Driver, you are clear. As we approach the unload area, take this opportunity now to look up so you can see exactly how low the ceiling is above your head. So when it's time to exit and you need to stand up, watch your head, watch your step, and we only go out the drivers in my left-hand side.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are here. We just got off the tram. Over there is Soarin' Over Around the World. They're actually playing Soarin' Over California as we speak. And there's Disneyland right over there. The train's in the station. I don't know about you, but there's always this sense of magic every time you visit the Disneyland Resort. Whether it's your first or your 70th. I think I hear a monorail. Yep, the monorail is coming around the corner. Monorail red. Oh, it's monorail orange. Whoops. Look more orange. That is so cool, you guys, to see it in person. Wow. I already got a shot of it for my new intros for the Disneyland video series, but wow, that looks amazing. Yeah, I like the new turnstiles. Wow, it was great. So cool. There's a CK Holiday right up there. I was worried because the previous train was just sitting there empty. I'm like going, uh-oh, it's having technical difficulties, but no. They were just waiting to get the all clear, I guess. You know what? It doesn't feel that busy today, to be honest with you. I mean, it is around 10:30-ish, but it's not too bad. It's not too bad. It might get like a little busier as the day goes along, but yeah, wow. Well, we're going to take a trip around Walt Disney's Magical Kingdom. Ah, the train just left. Hey, hello. Thank you. And there it is, my new official Disneyland hat for the 70th anniversary.
Your attention, please. The Disneyland Limited now voting for a trip around Walt Disney's Magic Kingdom through the Grand Canyon and Primeval World. Stop at Frontierland, Mickey's Town, and Tomorrowland.
Welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. We're embarking on a Grand Circle tour of the Magic Kingdom. We'll be stopping at New Orleans Square, Mickey's Toontown, and Tomorrowland. We'll also visit the Grand Canyon and make a trip back in time to the Primeval World and the Age of the Dinosaurs before returning to Main Street Station. We need to pass through the wilds of Adventureland. It may seem peaceful through here, but trust me, it's a real jungle out there, literally. So be on the lookout. You just never know what might be lurking along the rails. Just ahead is New Orleans Square. This station also serves Frontierland and Bayou Country. If you'll be leaving us here, please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop.
As we're approaching the station, please stay seated, and when the train comes to a full stop, you are the welcome. This will be your stop for Haunted Mansion, Pirates of the Caribbean, Adventureland, Frontierland, Bayou Country, and Star Wars Galaxy's Edge.
As we steam past Hungry Bear Barbecue Jamboree, we're now joining up with the Rivers of America and entering the frontier as it looked more than a century and a half ago. This is my favorite part of the journey. Around every bend, there's natural beauty as far as the eye can see. Shaun, sharing his stories with those in the Great River Valley below. This tunnel signals our transition from the frontier to another kind of ear. The ones you'll find on Mickey and Minnie Mouse. Our next stop is Toontown Depot, official train station for Mickey's Toontown, a cartoon home where Mickey, Minnie, and all their friends live. Toontown Depot is also the gateway to Fantasyland, where you'll find many of them.
As you're approaching the station, once again, everyone, please stay fully seated and do not stand up until the train has come to a full and complete stop. First, before disembarking. When have today's one complete stop within the station, you're more than welcome to exit. This will be your stop for Toontown attractions, along with all of Fantasyland, including It's a Small World, and a lot more.
Bitte bleiben Sie und sitzen, bis es zu einem vollständigen Bett kommt und Sie gebeten werden aufzustehen. Danke. Please remain seated until your boat comes to a complete stop at the dock and you are asked to Thank you. Willkommen. Sicherheit, bleiben Sie bitte während der Bootsfahrt sitzen. Halten Sie Ihre Hände ein.
If you're into soaring spaceships or doing battle with evil empires and emperors, Tomorrowland is definitely the place for you. Speaking of which, we're pulling into Tomorrowland Station right now.
For attractions like the monorail, Tokyo, Space Mountain, and more. Once again, when the train comes straight to the stop, you're more than welcome to disembark.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and click the bell icon to be notified of when a new video will be going live. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more Disneyland fun. To stay connected, follow me on Instagram at Shaun Allen Films and follow my other channels, the Educational Series, the Vlog Series, and the Travel Town Series. As always, thanks for watching.